Hello guys, my name is Josetex and today I'm gonna do a very short review and road to the tier 6 battleships from Germany. We are going to try to get Bayern, and to do that we are going to play a few games with the tier 5 battleship Koenig. My opinion, I think that it is a very good ship, but it has some drawbacks. Firstly, let's look at the stats. It's a tier 5 battleships built in 1914. It served Germany in the First World War, but it doesn't have much history. So let's see. It has 580 hit points. His max speed is 21.95 knots, which is mediocre to say at least. Main guns. This is the problem. They are only 305 millimeters, which is very low for tier 5 battleships. Let's compare it to another tier 5, the most overpowered of them, the tier 5 Japanese one, the Congo. As you can see, this one is much faster, 29.31 knots, and it also have three main guns which are 356 millimeters, so they do much more damage. And that's not the only problem. These guns, they don't penetrate as reliable as the bigger guns. As example, if you are fighting a different battleship, I find that very situationally. It is much more important when you are fighting American battleships, especially New York, because that one has a lot of citadel armor. You will pen it with AP, but very rarely, and you won't damage the citadel, so you don't get that much damage. You just do somewhere about 1,000. Very rarely you will do it, sometimes 3,000 if you manage to pen it, but it's very hard. Other than that, it has secondary guns, 14 150 millimeters, 7 on each side, and they fire HE, high explosive. They are pretty good, and they have a range of 5.61 kilometers. And the main guns have 12.08 kilometers, which is pretty good. The AA, it's pretty bad, I would say, but all battleships at this level have a pretty bad anti-aircraft armament, and surface detection it's 10.25 kilometers, which is okay, I guess. I have fitted it with main battery modification 2 for faster aim reload and better survivability on my main guns, with damage control system modification 1 for protection against fire and flooding, and torpedo defense for minus 15 damage taken from torpedo attacks. So let's just start the battle and see how it goes. Yeah, I think that it's a okay ship, but I'm looking forward to the top tier German battleships. Starting from tier 7, they will get automatic secondaries guns. This is a first in World of Warships Blitz, and I'm just very glad that I will finish the grind in a few battles. Hopefully in this video, but if not, it's gonna be a part 2, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, let's press start. Let's look at the team. They have one aircraft carrier, the tier 5 Zuho, some battleships, a few cruisers, and one destroyer. Firstly, I like to load HE just for the destroyers, because they are more likely to be the first one are spotted. And it's very good when you shoot a destroyer with HE. They do maximum damage, and it's very likely that you will do like half of their hit points. So let's see how it goes. And I also like to just go with one step off speed, because it's not very good to be the first ones spotted. Let's see now. And switching to AP. Okay, we set a fire, that's very good, but obviously he had the repair kit available. Let's see if we can hit it again. Let's see. Fire, and first blood. Okay, that's very good. Now let's focus another one. Let's see who. Usually when we have a battleship, it's very good to fire other cruisers, because you will always spend them and do more damage. Let's see. Nice. Only 5 shots, but it's okay. Now let's try to hit him again if possible. If not, it's okay. Let's see. Here should be good. Fire. Nice. Let's go forward. Oh, the aircraft carrier. If you see an aircraft carrier, always focus him. It's very good to kill him. Let's see. Does those hit? Yeah. Oh my god. I didn't see those. It's okay. Let's heal up. And let's fire. You are kind of a sticky situation, but it's okay. Let's focus this guy. Just 2 hits. It's okay. We are not doing very well, but it's okay. That was a very good shot. Okay, please miss. Oh my god. This, I think it's gonna be our last shot. Yeah. Okay. This wasn't very good, but still we did 34,000 damage. I think it's okay. Let's see how the others do. Oh, this guy has a very good camo. Nice. This one is a tier 6. Okay, let's get out of this and wait, so we can talk a little bit more. So I just played this ship for a very short time. I just got it, I think, about 2 days ago, and I have this much experience because, if you didn't know, yesterday, and I think, yes, in the 24, 25 and 25 of August, they had a 500% bonus for the first victory. And if you didn't know, when you just start a new day, you will have a video right here in the screen when I touch it with my finger, to make your first victory again, to have I think you have the possibility to do that 2 times, and with the first one 3 times. So I had 3 battles with 500% first victory, and I also had 1 day of premium time, and I made somewhere about let's see, 30,000 experience just in 2 days with that boost. In 2 days, every day with 3 times 500% experience, I think I made somewhere about 30,000 experience, and in just around 20 battles I think I made enough for the buyer. As you can see, I just need about 2000 experience and I'm gonna have the brand new tier 6 battleships. Yeah, this line of battleship looks pretty good. I liked all the battleships. The tier 3 Nassau from Germany, it was okay, definitely much better than the Japanese one. The tier 4 Kaiser, as you can see, I had a defeat. The tier 4 Kaiser, it's pretty good, and in the next video I will show you a little trick to use all the guns, but stay tuned for that. And now the Koenig, it's okay, it has the tier 4 guns, but it's manageable. Let's see how it did in the last one. It was a defeat suddenly. We got the first strike, we saw that already. 3 on the team, yeah, our team didn't do that good, but neither we do, so it's okay. 33,000, okay. Let's try another. Hopefully this is gonna be a win. So, as you can see, they have 1 aircraft carrier, 2 battleships, 2 cruisers, and 2 destroyers. So definitely we are gonna load HE as our first round. Let's see how it goes. I quite like this map, it's okay. Let's see. With firstly, roads load HE. 2 steps of speed in the first, and after 20 seconds I just go to 1. That's how I do. I don't know why, but that's how I do. Let's see. And also we have the exact as day. Yes. This is a very even match. We have 1 more tier 5 battleship, so we have a little advantage. Let's see. Last battle we didn't use that much our power up, let's say it is a very good one. It makes all the main guns much more accurate at long range, and it's very useful when you wanna score multiple hits. Oh, 1 aircraft down, that's so nice. Oh, our first cruiser, let's see. Just 1 and fire. Oh, he stopped. Nah, that's a very smart cruiser. Okay, 9 seconds, let's see. Wait for it. He goes in reverse. Let's activate the 1 and fire. Nice hits. As you can see, if you activate the power up in the right time, let's load AP. As you can see, if you activate the power up in the right time, you would have 2 salva of more precise shots. So let's see. This guy is moving, so like here, and yeah, citadel hit. As you can see, if you fire at cruisers, you have a much better chance of pinning them. And let's aim a little bit forward and fire. Yeah, those look good. Okay, just 4 shots, but it's okay. Let's wait for them right here. The Kirov once again. He's a very good cruiser. Fire. Yeah. Let's kill this guy. Let's wait for him to turn. And fire. Off. Those were misses. This one gets pretty annoying. But let's see. Let's turn the guns the other way. Let's use our secondaries. Now it's out of range. Our primary are on the other side. Okay, this Wyoming. Fire. Those look pretty good. Yeah, okay. Another cruiser. Let's see. Fire. Let's heal ourselves. Fire again. Just one fire, it doesn't worth it. Let's use our secondaries on the little destroyer. It's gonna be close. This is our death probably. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys. Unfortunately we had 2 defeats, but it's okay. We did in both over 30,000 damage. We just had a worse team than our enemy does. It's okay. Let's return. Alright, so this was the episode for today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm waiting for any suggestion. Which ships do you want to see? I will show you. I have all of these. Yeah, I don't have that many, but I'm a free-to-play player, and in this game it's very hard to buy many ships. Not because they are expensive, but because you have a limited available slots, and those one costs money, and I don't want to spend money in this game, at least not for now. Maybe in the future, if this channel goes well. As you can see, it was also a defeat. Let's see. I was the battle star in that one, so with just 30,000 damage. Yeah, that one tells more about our team. Let's see. First one on experience. Also, first one, close to first one on damage. So yeah, it was kind of a bad game. But let's see. 28,000 damage with first, with our AP, with our main battery, with secondary 1,800, with also penetrated 1 citadel and set 1 fire, and also kind of surprisingly for a battleship, we also captured 1 base. So this was all for today. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.